this western part, okay, a lot of this drains into Colorado. A lot of it turned to that, it doesn't drain into anything.
They mentioned it's an exaggerated vertical relief. It's basically exaggerated 100 to 1. Okay, so you can see over there, it looks like it represents Sausilito Point Bridge, both the regular bridge and the auto bridge, or at least that's what the piers represent. And I guess you can see what
comes in from the eastern Sierra, actually from what's the national park of California? There's this body of water separating Baja California from the rest of Mexico, and that's an active rift area. You know how you have the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, you have North America, South America separating from Europe and Africa. You have a rift system, and then that goes down, and then you have the overriding part of the continent on top of that. You have a four-arm basin, okay, so you have that lip of the continent that's being pushed up a little bit, and then you have a basin where you have sedimentation, and then on the other side, if you have an active margin, you have volcanic mountains. And so what we have here is Santa Barbara.
Anyway, point being is that when the regime changed, not to use that phrase again, but when the tectonic regime changed, you had this the stop, and you had the triple junction that was sort of migrating in two directions and was pushing up everything in its path. So what was underwater, what was the edge of the continent, this got pushed up because the Pacific plate was sort of pushing against North America just a bit. Now here you look south and you see, I think, the airport runways down there, and of course, with the tightening things get foggy, they're down to one runway because it's unsafe to run them side by side, but they can't see each other. The dredging that created the shipping channels, compare that to everything else around the bay, which is fairly shallow. San Francisco had natural water. Okay, here we go. Now, the Sassoon Bay does not tweak around like this, okay? It's more like this. They change the angle so they can fit into a smaller space, but this goes out like this. So the geometry is not perfectly realistic. But, I mean, they just tweak it right around.
the recommend clams or crab?
Oh, clams. Hey, clams.
The rainforest exhibit here, the Jason project as well as the Bay model, and then we have programs that range there from preschool to high school. Holding an animal. Hold it. You did a great job. Okay, great. Okay, good.
Yes, being really big than I am.
Yes. And we are left.
Yay!
Is it recording? Yeah, it is recording.
Goodbye, my friends.
The Central Bay is equal.